Investing in Vietnamese stock market has never been easy. It isn't as simple as picking the right stocks. And if you are doing that, you're probably doing it all wrong. There's a world of hidden forces shaping this market. Therefore, today I'm breaking down what you need to know before investing in Vietnamese stock market. Did you know Vietnamese stock market is one of the most volatile ones across Asia? Even though it might look small, huge gains one day can turn into losses the next. This isn't just about numbers. This is a battlefield. And if you don't have a strategy to tackle the sharp ups and downs, you are gonna get eaten alive. What about foreign investment? Here's a twist. Foreign investors dominate this market, but it's not because of profitability alone. They are drawn to Vietnam's massive growth potential and favorable regulatory shifts. But watch out, their quick in and out behavior can spark flash crashes, which leaves local investors scrambling. And if you are not ready, you will be left holding the bag. What should you know about government policy? Vietnamese government policy can turn your investment upside down overnight. Here's the catch. Unlike mature markets, sudden changes in regulations here happen without warning. Can you imagine holding a stock that is booming only for the new policy to crash it the next day? If you think you can ignore politics in Vietnamese stock market, think about it again. What about tax? What happened to my tax when I invested in Vietnam? This is an open secret. Tax reforms are coming and they could drain your profits. Many may ignore this, but the reality is that your profits today could be slashed in half tomorrow. Are you really prepared to adjust when the government shifts its approach? Is there any risk in terms of capital structure? Which means, what should I know about local investors? First thing, Vietnamese stock market has split personalities, local and foreigners. Foreign investors, they go for big stocks such as Vingroup or maybe Vinamilk, but local investors, they go after small stocks, which are more volatile. This creates a two-tier market. The rules may differ based on the teams you choose. Which side are you betting on? And are you in the right team? Second, don't ever be too naive when you invest in Vietnamese stock market. In Vietnam, smart money insiders have an edge over retail investors. They know when the big swings are coming, leaving small investors in dust. You think you can beat them without having the same information? I highly recommend you better think about it again. Should I be concerned about currency risks? Yes, of course you should be concerned. Here's a brutal truth. Every investment in Vietnam is vulnerable to the currency game. Even if you make great returns on the investment, the currency fluctuation could eat away those profits. Foreign investors, they often hedge. But what about local investors? Not so much. Are you ready to manage these risks? And most of all, don't forget inflation. In an emerging economy like Vietnam, inflation has never been just statistics. It's a thief stealing your value out of your stock. You can't just buy and hold. You need an inflation-proof strategy, or you are just gonna throw your money out the window. Based on all information above, what are the key sectors I should be watching out for before investing in Vietnam? Probably the tech and financial sectors. Everyone is talking about Vietnamese technology and financial sectors. Yes, they're the next big thing, but they are also the risky. These sectors, they're prone to boom-bust cycles. Don't just jump in without knowing where these sectors are headed. Therefore, you want to know what the real investors are watching out for? Take a look at infrastructure. Vietnamese government has massive plans for infrastructure, and companies tied to these projects are probably going to skyrocket. However, when these projects go stall, your investment goes with it. This is high-stakes investing at its finest. So yeah, now you have it. Vietnamese stock market has never been for the faint-hearted. If you are ready to go in, arm yourself with knowledge, stay alert, and remember, only the disciplined survive. If you want more insights on how to navigate Vietnamese stock market like a pro, hit subscribe, and I will keep sharing what no one else will. Happy investing!